Hello students, now we will go through with LP2. First expedition to moon. The aim of the LP2 is to narrate stories of humans' first expedition to the moon. So students, till now 12 people or 12 astronauts who walked on the moon. So we will learn about their expedition, means how they traveled to the moon, that we will today know. Okay. The keywords which are included are craters, expedition. Now all of you open your content book, Space Research. In that you have to read first expedition to the moon. Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins and Buzz Aldrin from the United States were the first astronauts to land on the moon in 1969. The name of their aircraft was Apollo 11. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind, were the first words of Neil Armstrong when he took his first step on the moon. So this is about the Neil Armstrong, first person who landed, who kept first step on the moon, right? So these three members you can see, right? These are the three astronauts who went on the moon, who walked on the moon, right? So from these three people only, first we came to know about the features of the moon. Okay, what type of soil it is, right? Craters, valleys, how it is, everything we came about the moon from these persons. Okay, and do you know what they have told? So these three persons who took their first step, they describe the soil of the moon as soft powder charcoal, or we can say soft powder, right? And they bought samples of it with them. They bought the samples, means moon surface soil is there na, they bought the samples. They collected this soil and they took the photographs of, right? They took the photographs and they hoisted the United States flag also there. Their flag is there na, that is also they hosted on the moon, right? And also what they have done, do you know? They also spoke to the US president from there and wrote the date on the soil there, on which date they are present there. And do you know why did the humans take up the expedition to the moon? Their curiosity to know took them to the moon. They want to know whether the life is there or what. Everything they want to know about the moon. So that the humans have traveled to the space or else on the moon. Humans wanted to know the neighbors, means nearest planets, right? And you know, on the Mars also so many spacecraft have been sent. They wanted to know whether the life is existed or what. So that they used to travel. They want to send to this spacecraft to the moon. Landing on the moon it was a landmark achievement, right? Because from that only we came to know, we started to know more about the space, what is there in the sky. Okay, what are the stars are, how many planets are there. Okay, after the moon we went to the planets, right? We sent the so many spacecraft to the Venus, right? Nearby planets, what are the planets are there na? We started the space research, right? So that the expedition, it is made a landmark achievement. Till now 12 people have traveled to the moon. Okay, there so many people went, but who stepped on the moon, those are 12 people. Okay, and we learned about the features of the moon, and it made these scientists develop technology, right? So that they can travel in the space. So this you can see the spacecraft Apollo 11. On this only they went. And do you know what shape ma? Here you can see from the Google I taken the pic. This is a spacecraft. Apollo 11 right? So they went on the moon like this. Now all of you open your page number 39. Write today's date. S2 is there, ma. First expedition to the moon. Imagine that you are Neil Armstrong and have just returned to the earth from the first moon landing, right? You are the Neil Armstrong. Now you know very well about the Neil Armstrong, right? So your description should include the 5 facts on how you went, what you saw, and what you did there. And just now we discussed now what they have done. When they went, they have told some words that you have to write. One small step for women and one giant leap for mankind. And they describe the soil like a powdered charcoal. They collected the soil along with them. They took photographs and they wrote the date on the soil, and they hosted the United flag there. These all things you have to write here. Okay. And next one, on landing on a moon, Neil Armstrong said that one small step for a mankind, one giant leap for mankind. What do you think he said this? How did this expedition help? So the first achievement is this, ma. Okay, so from this achievement we started the traveling to the space. We started to know about the space, what are the planets are there. We come to know about those features also, right? As Mars, it is near to our planet. So what is the type of soil, is are any human beings are there? These all things we started to know from the first expedition to the moon only, right? As moon is near to us, so we went on the moon. Then after that, we, as it is successful, so that we started to travel to the other planets also, right? So this first expedition, which is successful, and it is not a small point, it is very big point for whole mankind. This is the meaning of the second one, sir, that you have to write. Here we have completed LP2. Now tomorrow we will go through with other 2 LPs.